Welcome to Domain 1 of the CISSP 2025 exam, Security and Risk Management. This domain sets the foundation for everything in cybersecurity. Think of it like the operating system that runs the rest of the security program. It powers decisions, policies, and people. When in doubt, come back to CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three principles are your security compass. They guide risk assessments, policies, and incident responses. Confidentiality means keeping secrets, well, secret. Think encryption, classification, access control. In a hospital, for instance, protecting patient records is all about confidentiality. Integrity ensures your data isn't tampered with. A classic example is financial data. One wrong digit can cause chaos. Hashing and digital signatures help verify authenticity. Availability is about making sure resources are accessible when needed. Imagine an e-commerce site crashing on Black Friday. That's a failure of availability. Sometimes, you'll need to balance the triad. Encrypting a file boosts confidentiality but might slow access, hurting availability. That's where smart risk management comes in. A strong security mindset doesn't just install firewalls. It builds cultures. It assumes the bad guys will get in, so how will we detect, respond, and recover? Let's warm up. The answer is C, availability. A DDoS attack overwhelms resources, making systems inaccessible.